Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divine from Keeping Up with Divine. Thank you for coming if you're a return subscriber. Thank you for coming if you're new, and welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for content every Wednesday and every Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time. Sundays are going to be everything to do with business, as you're here for it today. And Wednesdays are going to be everything else like makeup videos, tutorials, hair videos, whatever. Today's video is going to be how to register your company in the UK. Now, this is something that a couple of people have asked me personally to do a video on Instagram, so I thought, let me get this out here. And also guys, before I even get into it, make sure if you have anything you want to know about, anything you want to see on these videos, just let me know, because I'm trying to do content that's beneficial to you guys. So just let me know anything you want to see. I always see the comments, I always take it on board. If you've suggested something and you haven't seen it yet, it's probably because I'm still doing a bit more research, because I want to come and give you the most correct knowledge that I can get for you. So guys, please let me know what you want to see, and like and share this video, because you never know who it's going to help. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video.
When I make a meal, 95 when an option. In the field, they kind of run out of options. She always complain like she knows me often, but often I'll be.
So I start off on Google and I type in register my company's house. There we go. And I always go for the one that says gov.uk. This one says set up a private limited company, register your ... -gov. So I'll click on that link, and then if you scroll down, it will tell you it costs £12. This can be paid by direct debit or credit card or PayPal account. Your company is usually registered within 24 hours. In all fairness, they do usually register my companies within 12 hours. So with this service, you can also register for PAYE, to tell HMRC when you're an employer. So that's to do with payroll and stuff. And you can also continue an application if you've already started getting registered and you haven't completed it yet. So click the big green button, that says register now. So it'll ask, are you starting a new application? Yes. Then it will ask, check before you start. It will say, we're going to ask some questions. Your answers will show whether you can use this service to register a limited company and set up corporation tax, and take you to another service if you're not eligible to use this one. So you continue 2 questions. Are you able to pay for this application using a card or PayPal? You should click yes. Continue. Are any directors or persons with significant control on the company's house secure register? So this is for victims of threatening behaviour or violence who can risk having their home address information on the public register. No, or yes, depending on what your answer is. Continue. You will now create a government gateway user ID for this company. So you click the big green button that says create government gateway. So now you need to type in an email address. So type in an email address. Let me think one which I've got, which I don't mind being out on the big wide world. Actually, I'll cover it. Oops. Continue. So now it's asking for confirmation on that email address for the confirmation code. Hang on 1 second, I'll just get that. Okay, so once you have the code, you insert it and then click confirm. Email address confirmed. This will enable us to help you get the most from this service. Continue. What is your full name? Joe. Create a password. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, set up recovery for your sign-in details. Click the big green button, continue. Recovery word, I don't know, YouTube. Continue. Your government gateway is, and then it tells me the number we have sent it to, and then it tells you the email address. So continue. Which email address do you want us to use for this application? We'll go with that one, which I've put on. What is your relationship to the company? Company director, company secretary, agent, or other. You can choose whichever one you are for this section. Save and continue. Will the company be a community interest company? This is a special type of company that exists to benefit the community. So I'll click no, because my fake company doesn't help the community. Save and continue. Will the company be limited by shares or limited by guarantee? Limited by shares. This is the most common type of company. If owners ever want to take profits from the company, choose limited by shares. limited by guarantee. This is widely used for non-profit bodies like charities and clubs. Profit is rarely given to the owners and is kept within the company or used for other purposes. So we'll go with limited by shares for this fake company that I've made. Company name, let's call it KUW Divine. So that's for keeping up with Divine. Which company name ending would you prefer to go with on the public record? LTD, Limited, or other endings including Welsh? So I'm going to go with LTD because I just feel like it looks nice and clean. So KUW Divine Ltd. Save and continue. So what is the company's registered office address? UK postcode. I don't know. Let's go for ST4 2RD number 11. Find address. I hope that exists. Fantastic. We'll go with 22 Elgin Street, ST4 2RD. So you just pick your address, obviously. Save and continue. Confirm the registered address, 22 Elgin Street, Stoke-on-Trent, England, ST4 2RD. Confirm and continue. Where will the company be registered? England and Wales, or you choose wherever you can have the company registered. Save and continue. What is the company's principal place of business? Let's go with 22 Elgin Street. That'll be the address which you've put on, or you can pick a different address. Save and continue. Contact number 07529 05895632. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. So save and continue. Is this company replacing another business? No. Save and continue. When will this company start? On the same date it gets set up, or you can go on a different future date, or you can go no plans to start trading or doing any business activity yet. Save and continue. In the first 3 months, will the company do any of the following? Pay interest on any bank loans, for example, a director who has loaned the company money. Make royalty payments, for example, for using someone else's patent, or receive interest or dividend payments from overseas investment. No. Save and continue. Well, what will this company be doing? Living my best life. Okay, that doesn't come out. So let's have a look. DI. You know what? Let's just go with recruitment. Okay, recreational vehicle parks. Let's go with that. Save and continue. So check the information, what your company will be doing. Business activity, you'll have obviously what you've decided your business is going to be doing. And then you, obviously, once you're happy with everything you've put, you can add another business activity if you do more than one thing. And then confirm and continue, the green button. Has anyone on this application ever sent a secure register form to ask Companies House for protection? No. If they have, yes. And that includes, like, that when it says anyone, it's referring to company directors or persons in significant control. That's people who have significant influence over the way the company is run. So no. Save and continue. Director's details. So you put in all your details and stuff. Let me create a fake person. Doctor who said, or sound it. Has the director ever used a different name? No. Nationality, let's go with Nigerian. Date of birth, the 12th of the 12th, 1970. Job title, boss. Oh no, that doesn't come up. So let's just go with commercial director. Save and continue. What is the correspondent address? Let's put that 22 Elgin Street. Save and continue. What is the home address for Hewitt? 22 Elgin Street. Let's go with that as well. Does Hewitt want to receive filing reminders by email? No, he does not. Save and continue. Check the director details. Yep, I confirm that's where the director lives and I agree to become the director. Save and continue. You're about to set up the company's shareholders. They'll ask you to tell us who the company shareholders are, tell you how many shares you want to give to them, choose a value for each share and confirm the shareholders and shares you've created. So save and continue. Is Hewitt a shareholder? Yes, he is. Save and continue. Would you like to add another shareholder? No. If you do, then obviously you click yes. Save and continue. Check and confirm shareholder details. So I'll have a look. The shareholder name, Hewitt, what's the address, 22 Elgin Street, confirm and continue. Do you want to use the most common type of shares? Yes, why not? Save and continue. How many shares does Hewitt own? 1 share. Save and continue. Choose a value for each share. £1. Save and continue. So here it just tells you to check the information you've just put in. So you confirm and continue if everything is as you want it to be. You're about to set up the person with significant control over the company. Continue. From your previous answers, we know that Hewitt is a person with significant control. We still need to ask you a few more questions about this person. Continue. Does Hewitt have the right to appoint or remove the majority of a company directors? Yes. Save and continue. Check and confirm the details of the persons in control of KUW Devine Limited. So you check all the information, confirm and confirm. So that's confirming who said it lives, and confirm who said it has control of the company. Save and continue. Model articles of association. Do you want to use model articles? No. Or you can click yes if you want to. Upload a copy of bespoke articles. Actually, I want to use model articles instead because I don't have time for that. So I confirm that the person named here has agreed to form the company stated in the Memorandum of Association in accordance with the law. Save and continue. Create electronic signature for Hewitt. 3 pieces of personal information: mother's maiden name, father's first name, and passport number. Save and continue. So check your answers, you check that everything you've put is correct, then you confirm and continue. So check and confirm the answers again. This is absolutely everything you've entered in this application, so you just need to make sure it's correct. Now send your application. I understand that this registration application can't be changed after I proceed, and then you confirm and send application, and it will also then ask you for your money. However, this was fake. This isn't a real company, so I'm going to sign out. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you a lot. If you have any questions or queries on this matter, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Don't forget, let me know any topics or subjects you want me to cover in these videos or even in my Wednesday videos. And I look forward to seeing you guys next Wednesday. Bye bye.